Hello guys, welcome back to my vlogs. I have a new thing and it's called Dominos. You see, here are all my Dominos. I forgot to just put them in place. So let's start. You see, we can do this kind of games, but match which the thing like I'm doing and trying to figure out what to place. If you have some group, then you can divide it and this will be the bank. When you're all out of everything, then you can ask the bank, then it will give you some more and then you can play. When someone has got it replaced and super ready to go, then they are the winners. And so you see what I'm gonna do. So this is how you can do it. Now let me show the most fun thing you love. You see, we stand it like this. Be careful so it doesn't knock down. Like this. Carefully and slowly. Don't make it turn anywhere else. And now I'll show you what will happen. That's the science. The more we push it, it will go down. See? It's a fun game, but I want to play this with my sister. She doesn't want to play. So I'll show you how to play it more better. If you buy this, then you can surely play it. Now let me divide it together. So I'm gonna give these, and one thing you have to do, you have to put them all like this. You have to not show it to anybody. So if you show it, then they will recognize what you are gonna put. So if you show them this, they'll surely be smart. So don't miss this. So if someone is watching yours, it's okay. Little kids who doesn't know the game more properly, they can usually show it to kids. So little kids or big kids. Okay? Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Sami? Can you see me?